Hi, and welcome to Brooklyn Public Library's video tutorial on Mergent Intellect's Advanced Search. My name is Natalie, and I'm a librarian in the Business and Career Center. In the Company Quick Search tutorial, you learned how to search for a known public or private company in the Company Quick Search toolbar. But what do you do when you don't know the name of the company you're looking for? Maybe you'd like to create a list of film production companies in the United States, or a list of apparel manufacturers in New York City. Or maybe you'd like to create a list of the largest companies in Brooklyn by annual sales or by number of employees. Mergent Intellect can help you conduct these and many more searches. Let's begin by selecting the Advanced Search button. Notice all the criteria we can include to create a list of companies. We can search by company characteristics, like name, whether the company is minority-owned or women-owned, whether it's public or private. We can search by location, including international companies. We can search by state, city, county, metropolitan area, zip code, and even conduct a radius search. For example, find companies within half a mile from your home. We can also search by company industry, company size, financial information, and keywords. I'm going to demonstrate some of the most common criteria to conduct an advanced search. Suppose you work in the healthcare industry and want to create a list of hospitals or other healthcare companies in Brooklyn in order to apply for a job. Maybe you're doing research into nursing homes or residential facilities for a family member. Let's start by selecting the Industry tab. You have a few search options here. If you're not familiar with this terminology, SIC code, NAICS code, or HIC code, that's okay. Just know that these codes are used to classify companies by industry. I recommend you begin your search by selecting the NAICS code button. You can search by browsing this tree, by typing a keyword, or by entering a NAICS code if you already have it. Let's begin by looking at some of the categories in the tree below. If we scroll down, we'll find that there's a category called Healthcare and Social Assistance. If you're not sure where your industry would fall within this tree, go ahead and use the keyword search. If we click on the arrow next to Healthcare and Social Assistance, the tree opens to reveal more narrow classifications of businesses that fall under the Healthcare and Social Assistance broader category. For example, if you click on the arrow next to hospitals, you'll find that this category is further divided into areas like psychiatric and substance abuse hospitals. For our search, let's select hospitals, all of them, and all nursing and residential care facilities. Then we're going to select this button, Add to Criteria. The Add to Criteria button is very important when searching Mergent Intellect. You're going to use it every time you add another variable to your search. If you forget to select the Add to Criteria button, you're going to question your search results when you see them. You'll notice 183,000 companies were found. Let's go ahead and limit our search by location. Come to the top of the page and select Location. We're going to limit our search to just Brooklyn companies by adding Kings County to the search. The next thing we have to do is select Add to Criteria. You'll notice now that we have 768 companies found. Click on the Search button to see your results. If you find that 768 is too long of a list, there are ways to narrow down this list right from the search screen. We can select the Sales tab to narrow our results by sales. Select Employee Type to narrow by number of employees if you are looking for a small facility versus a large facility. You might also wish at this point to even select the Industry tab and narrow our search by industry. Maybe we just want to look at these 88 continuing care retirement communities right now. From here, if you'd like to download this list of companies, you can select All and then the Build Files button. Mergent Intellect defaults to the standard fields, but you could select all fields or choose fields. We'll select standard here and then just add a couple more that interest us. Enter a file name and select Build Files. At this time, you can download your file. You can download up to 2,000 records at a time. But if you select emailing your file, you can select up to 20,000 records at a time. I'd also like to show you how to begin a new search from here in case you'd like to make any changes to what the search we just ran. Select again the Advanced Search button at the top of the page. And you'll notice if we scroll down that the search has remembered the industry we selected as well as location. You have to come through and click the X next to each variable to remove them from your search. And let's start again. Let's go back and search by industry. Perhaps you're looking for all the beauty salons near your home. Maybe you're looking for a job. Maybe you're opening your own beauty salon and would like to find others in one location. When we select industry and again start with the NAICS code button, let's use the keyword search this time and type in our keyword of beauty. You'll see as we start to type our word, Mergent Intellect starts filling in what they think we're looking for. And you see we have a few options. We can select cosmetics, beauty supplies, and perfume stores. Or we can select beauty salons, which is what we're looking for. Once we click on it, we're going to use that Add to Criteria button. And find that we have 561,000 companies that fall within that industry. Let's go ahead and select location. And now let's add our zip code. And add to criteria. At this point, we found 194 beauty salons in the 11216 zip code. I select Search to find the list. And from this list, you can go ahead, again, select All, and build your files. Give Mergent Intellect a try, and if you have additional questions, please visit or call Brooklyn Public Library's Business and Career Center for additional help. Thanks for watching.